Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today working with Windows Server 2008 inside VMware. Today we're doing activity 6-16 using the Nslookup in interactive mode. Our objective is to perform DNS queries with Nslookup. Description is, Nslookup is a powerful tool for troubleshooting DNS issues and finding DNS information quickly. Every system administrator should have a good understanding of using Nslookup in interactive mode. In this activity, you execute many commands while learning about Nslookup. So in Server Manager, well, first you log on to your server, which we already have. We're going to go into the Start menu. We're going to go into the Server Manager, double-click Roles, and left side and pane to expand it. DNS Server. Whoops, double-click that there. DNS Server, okay. And then DNS. And DNS until you display the bintech.local forward lookup zone folder. Go in here, go into forward lookup zones, and you see we have bintech.local right there. Okay. We're going to select the folder of bintech local over here under, and we're going to click More Actions. Right here, click More. Select the folder, More Actions. Come on now, go. Alright, we're back. Sorry, phone ring. Okay, so now we're in the folder. We're going to go right here and click More Actions. Click Properties. In the bintech.local properties dialog box, we're going to click the Zone Transfers tab up top. So we'll click Zone Transfers tab. We're going to click the Allow Zone Transfers checkbox. Okay, Allow Zone Transfers. We're going to click Allow Zone Transfers checkbox and accept the default. Well, it's already checked, so hit OK. Okay. We're going to accept the default of allowing transfers to any server, and then click OK. Let's go and double check. We make sure we did that again. Did alright. Alright. And we're going to make sure we hit accept the default of allowing transfers to any server. To any server, that's checked, okay. Alright. We're going to open the command prompt and type nslookup. So start, command prompt. We're going to type nslookup and then press enter. And it pulls up the default server, unknown, the address 192.168.140.2. Okay. We're going to type bintech.local and then press enter. Bintech.local and then push enter. Okay, unknown, can't find bintech.local, non-existent domain. Alright, since it says that, because we haven't associated with anything yet, and also I don't know why I did that, but this is unchecked. We gotta check that. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna type in set type equals ns and press enter. Unknown, can't find bintech.local, non-existent domain. I don't know why it's saying that. This is the problem I was having before. This tells the nslookup lookup to query for all DNS records of DNS records. So when you type in the set type equals ns, it would go through and scroll through the bintech.local and pull up all the DNS records for that server under the local part. It's not set for the domain on here, right? I have to go back and reconfigure that, but that's what it would do. We're going to type in local, and remember when you type that in, it gives you the address and the server, which is unknown. The set is the the address 192.168.140.2. The server is unknown, bintech.local. Set type is equals to ns. So we got all that. We're going to type in set type equals all. Enter. What happened here? This tells the Nslookup query for all DNS records of DNS records. It's the same thing. It's just not one. It's not to BinTech. It's for all DNS records, not just BinTech local. Now we're going to type in server 4.2.2.1. So server 4.2.2.1. and press enter. And this would tell the Nslookup to use a specific name or server for any query that commands that follows. Now we're going to do a debug. We're going to type set debug and press enter. Set bug. Alright. Now we set the debug on that and then press enter. This provides detailed information about the queries you are performing. Now we're going to type bintech.local and then press enter. Okay. Notice when you do this, this displays the results of the queries along with all the detailed information, including query questions and answers. So when we typed in all those things earlier, let's go up and find them again. Man, we got all this information. We started out typing in Nslookup and it pulled up the address. Then we typed in binlocal, pulled up the server and the address. Then we typed in bintech.local again to double check it. Then we typed the set type equals ns, which gave us the IP address in the server, which is unknown because it hasn't been set to the domain again, so it's calling it non-existent, but it is there. And we went 4.2.2.1. It was unknown, not in the domain yet. Then we set the set debug. Then we typed in bintech.local and it pulled up the server IP address and the name of it again. And we got answers, header. The opcode is query ID 14. R code is index domain. And we got all this stuff right here. The responses, questions. Bintech.local, type equals any, class equals in. That's what we typed in. Those are the questions we, the Nslookup things we told to look up, the questions. And the authority records right here. Primary name server, responsible mail address, serial, refresh. Another question right here, header, bintech.local, same thing. And that's all I have for you in this video on using Nslookup in interactive mode. Basically all the Nslookup is to go in there and type up through the command prompt DNS records under certain servers or the entire server itself instead of just local. And also you could do the debug, to make it more slimmed down than what you really need. So that's all I have for this activity. I hope you enjoyed and see me in future videos. Thank you. Bye.